What's up, guys? So, we keep solving the GRE math, 93674. So we're solving 11 and up to, to 15. Okay, so basically 11 things ask about the derivative. This is the function, and we calculate the derivative respect to y. This is 2y, 2x. Let me. So we have phi of y is 2x. So the first one is about phi y, basically 0. Second about derivative yx, which is 2. The third is yz, which is 0. So which one is 0? The first one and the third one. So the answer is C. 12 people ask about the limit. So when x equals to 0, then the numerator is 0, the denominator is 1 times log 1, so it's 0. So what we need to do is the L'Hopital rule. We do a derivative respect to x, and both numerator and denominator. So this is 1 plus x plus log 1x, 1 plus x. So this is 2 divided by 1 times 1 pi, then plus log 1. So this is 0, the answer is 2. So the answer is E. Okay. 13 ask about this integral. And basically you can directly compute this. This is just this one. Right, this is just direct computation. So we have this one. Minus 1. Okay. So as n go to infinity, 1 over n divided by n to the power n minus 1 goes to infinity. This is obvious, right? Because 1 over n will will n to the 1 over this term will smaller than 1 over n as n larger than 2, right? So basically this term goes to 0, and this term also goes to 0. So all of these go to 0, right? Each term, these two terms go to 0. So the answer is A. 14 is also easy at 15% annual rate. It tells you that every 5 years, the dollars will become half. So the value of dollar will become half. So basically, if you start from 1, then it will become half each 5 years. So after 5x years, it will become half to x power. And he asked about half to x power close to 10 to the negative 6. Okay, so take log based on 10, you have x minus log 2 need to be minus 6. So x is approximately 6 divided by log 2. And the log 2 in 10 bases is, you need to remember, this is 0.3. Close to 0.3. So basically this is 20. So he asks you how many years would be the dollar would be worth 10 to the negative 6 of its present value. The answer is 5 times 20. So it's 100 years. So the answer is D. Okay, 15. He asks you about, he gives you a function called in the integral form for real x, and the equation of line tangent to a graph to 2 and f2. What is the tangent? The tangent line. So basically, we can solve it. This integral can be solved. So let me show how to solve. Let t to be tangent theta. So basically this is 1 and the arctangent x, and this is dt is d theta second square. So basically this is d theta second square divided by 1 plus tangent square, so it's second square, so it cancel. So this is arctangent x minus arctangent. So this is pi over 4 because tangent pi over 4 is 1, right? So this is pi over 4. So this is the function. Okay, so up to now, then we already finished the lots. So basically we have this. So we do a derivative, and then we plug x equals to 2. So when x equals to 2, f prime of 2 is 1 over 5. So this is the slope. And the f of 2 is arctangent 2 minus pi over 4. So now we can write down the line. The line is y minus f of 2 equals to the tangent slope x minus 2. So this is the tangent line. And we already know this f of 2. So we plug in. So which one is the answer? Which one is the answer? The answer is D. Right, the answer is D. Right, because f of 2 is arctangent 2 minus pi over 4. So the answer is D. The answer is D.